Wakati nilipanda maembe tukakuwa na changamoto ya market. Nilikuwa nikivuna maembe nyingi na nyingine yote inaoza kwa shamba. Hiyo wakati Vert imeingia, hiyo changamoto ya sales ikafungua sana, kwa sababu ananunua maembe kutoka kwa shamba na wakulima na through the cooperative ananunua maembe kwa bei mzuri.
Vert Ltd business model is hedged on sourcing our raw materials from smallholder farmers. Smallholder farmers in Kenya do not belong to the formal economy. So our responsibility as Vert to organize the farmers into commercial groups, deliver trainings to them so that they are able to produce and at the same time comply with the international food safety standards. The fund was also big about creating employment opportunities, especially for youth and women. So we sort of ticked the main boxes. The AgriFI Kenya Challenge Fund was also very emphatic on how our approach is to mitigate negative climate change impacts. We try to promote climate smart adaptations.
Ikiwa ni mambo ya maji, tumeweka hii inaitwa terraces, tuna harvest water iingie kwa shamba. Hiyo tunafanya. Ikiwa ni hii ingine tunapanda miti ingine kama hiyo unaona hapa, ili kutengeneza hii climate ya area hiyo okay.
They've been able to improve their livelihoods by doing better houses. Some have done other investments. We have farmers, for example, have started doing commercial livestock farming. So the impact has been huge, and it's actually very much visible in some of the regions that we've been active in.